Do you ever feel like your kitchen could use a little upgrade? What if I told you that just a few smart gadgets could completely transform your cooking experience? Welcome back to Items IQ. Today we're diving into the top 20 best home kitchen gadgets from Amazon. Gadgets that are not just cool but incredibly useful too. Let's get started. The Etek City Food Kitchen Scale. This digital scale is a game changer for anyone into weight loss, baking, cooking, or meal prep. With a sleek design made from 304 stainless steel, it's both simple and compact, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen. The scale supports 5 units, including ounces, pounds, grams, and milliliters, and it's incredibly precise, measuring up to 11 pounds with 1 gram increments. The backlit LCD display ensures easy reading, and cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe it down and you're good to go. Plus, it comes with a battery, so you can start using it right out of the box. If you're looking for accuracy and convenience, the Etek City Food Kitchen Scale is a must-have. The KitchenAid all-purpose stainless steel kitchen shears, perfect for everyday use. These shears feature stainless steel blades that resist rusting and are designed with micro serrations for a clean cut every time. The extra thick blades add strength and durability, ensuring they can handle all your kitchen tasks. The Comfort Grip handle, coated with a soft grip material, provides stability and ease of use. Plus, they come with a protective plastic blade cover for safe storage. Although these shears are dishwasher safe, it's best to hand wash them with warm water and mild detergent to keep them in top condition. The KitchenAid shears in ink blue are not only practical but also stylish, making them a great addition to any kitchen. The Saxif Cleaning Brush, a multifunctional tool that tackles even the toughest cleaning tasks with ease. This brush is made from high-quality plastic and alloy materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. The handle is non-slip, providing a comfortable grip, while the pliable bristles are perfect for deep cleaning. With a narrow head, it easily reaches into gaps, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for cleaning everything from grout lines and windowsills to kitchen appliances and car interiors. The Saxif Cleaning Brush is not only efficient but also space-saving, with a small hole in the handle for easy hanging and drying. Whether you're dealing with dirt, dust, or debris, this brush makes cleaning those pesky spots a breeze. The 4-in-1 Kitchen Knife Accessories by Kitchalence, a must-have for keeping your knives in top shape. This 3-stage knife sharpener is designed to repair, restore, and polish your blades with ease. The first slot uses a diamond sharpening rod to straighten damaged blades. The second slot sharpens and restores the V-shape, and the third slot fine-tunes for a clean polish. It's incredibly easy to use. Just place your knife in each slot and gently pull it through a few times. Whether you're right or left-handed, the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable control. Plus, safety is a top priority, so this kit includes a non-slip base and a cut-resistant glove for added protection. They're made from durable ABS plastic. This sharpener is built to last, making your knives look and perform like new. If you're not completely satisfied, Kitchalence offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in giving it a try. The Homaxi 100% cotton waffle weave kitchen dishcloths, a practical and stylish addition to your kitchen. These ultra soft and highly absorbent dish towels feature a unique honeycomb design that enhances their durability and drying capabilities. Measuring 12 x 12 inches, each cloth is perfect for a variety of kitchen tasks, from drying dishes to wiping surfaces. The cotton material softens with each wash and is gentle on your cookware and dishes. Easy to care for. These dish cloths should be machine washed in cold water and tumble dried on low to maintain their quality. This 6-pack comes in a sleek dark gray color, but you can also choose from a range of other colors to match your kitchen decor. They make a great alternative to paper towels and are an excellent choice for gifts such as Mother's Day or housewarming presents. Affordable and effective, the Homaxi dishcloths offer both function and style. The Zule Rotary Cheese Grater, your new kitchen essential designed to make meal prep easier, safer, and faster. Imagine effortlessly grating, slicing, and shredding all your favorite ingredients with just a simple turn of the hand. This manual cheese grater features 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, perfect for everything from cheese to vegetables, nuts, and more. The grater is built with a reinforced suction base that securely attaches to your countertop, ensuring it stays in place while you work. Plus, the easy-to-install blades mean no more worrying about accidental cuts. They're safely housed within a transparent barrel that prevents clogging and allows for smooth food release. Whether you're right or left-handed, this grater is designed for everyone, making it incredibly user-friendly. And when it comes to cleaning, the hopper and blades are dishwasher safe, while the base and handle can be quickly wiped clean. Plus, it all neatly stores away in a compact storage box, keeping your kitchen organized. With Zule's lifetime warranty and hassle-free guarantee, you can grate, slice, and shred with confidence, knowing you've got a reliable tool that's built to last. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, the ultimate kitchen gadget that's taking meal prep to the next level. With its 4-in-1 design, this food chopper isn't just another kitchen accessory, it's your new best friend for quick, easy, and mess-free cooking. Whether you're chopping, slicing, dicing, or spiralizing, this chopper does it all with its razor-sharp, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades. It's perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen. The soft grip handle and non-skid rubberized bottom provide maximum control and stability, ensuring safe and efficient chopping every time. Plus, the handy catch tray means no more mess, just easy, organized meal prep. And when you're done, simply pop the chopper in the dishwasher for a hassle-free cleanup. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned pro, the Full-Star Food Chopper is an essential tool that will elevate your cooking game. The Zully Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set, your new go-to tool for effortlessly crushing and mincing garlic with ease. Built to last, this professional-grade garlic mincer is made from rust-resistant materials, ensuring durability for years to come. The ergonomic handle design makes it simple to crush unpeeled garlic cloves, minimizing effort and keeping your hands free from lingering odors. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this garlic press extracts more paste in seconds, perfect for enhancing your dishes with rich garlic flavor. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean, just rinse under water or toss it in the dishwasher. And if you're feeling creative, this versatile tool also handles ginger, spices, and even nuts. With the Zully Kitchen Premium Garlic Press, you'll add efficiency and convenience to your kitchen, backed by a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. The Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set, a comprehensive 33-piece collection designed to meet all your culinary needs. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these utensils are safe for any type of food and won't react with your dishes, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. The set features durable wooden handles that are both stylish and functional, providing a sturdy grip while protecting your hands from heat. These utensils can withstand temperatures up to 446 F, making them perfect for use with non-stick cookware without causing scratches or damage. The set includes a variety of tools, from spatulas to measuring spoons, each designed with a specific purpose to enhance your cooking efficiency. Plus, with added accessories like hooks and a utensil holder. Organizing your kitchen has never been easier. Elevate your cooking game with the Umite Chef Kitchen Utensils Set, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. Struggling with stubborn jar lids and bottle caps? The OutStar Jar Opener is here to help. Designed with ease of use in mind, this versatile tool features 6 functions in one, including multiple circular openings and hooks to handle various sizes of lids and ring pull cans. Whether you have weak hands, arthritis, or just need a little extra help, the long handle and rubber lining provide a firm, non-slip grip for a smoother, frustration-free experience. This compact opener is made from high-quality food-grade materials that are easy to clean and store. Ideal for anyone who needs a little extra assistance in the kitchen, the OutStar Jar Opener makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones who struggle with jar lids. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to convenience with this practical kitchen gadget. The Kitchen Mama Automatic Electric Can Opener, your hands-free kitchen hero. With just the press of a button, this gadget makes opening cans completely effortless, cutting smoothly around the sides to leave no sharp edges. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it's ideal for anyone, especially those with arthritis or grip issues. The ergonomic design ensures ease of use without any strain, making it a perfect gift for anyone who loves cooking. Safe, user-friendly, and mess-free, the Kitchen Mama Can Opener is the ultimate tool to simplify your everyday cooking. Say goodbye to manual can openers and hello to convenience. The Silicone Faucet Handle Drip Catcher Tray Mat by BFONS, a must-have for any kitchen or bathroom. Designed with a 5-dig slope for faster water drainage, this mat keeps your countertops dry and mess-free. Made from 100% soft, durable silicone, it's easy to clean, won't scratch your utensils, and is perfect for organizing sponges, dish soap, and other kitchen essentials. The versatile design not only functions as a faucet mat, but also as a sponge holder and dish drying mat, adding a touch of luxury and practicality to your space. Upgrade your kitchen with this essential accessory and enjoy a cleaner, more organized sink area. Meet the IMSA Digital Meat Thermometer, your go-to kitchen gadget for precise cooking and grilling. With ultra-fast and accurate readings in just 2 to 4 seconds, this thermometer ensures your meats, candies, or BBQ are cooked to perfection every time. Its user-friendly design features a large backlit screen, making temperature readings easy even in low light. The thermometer is waterproof with an IP67 rating, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. Plus, it supports a wide temperature range, perfect for any culinary task. Elevate your cooking experience with this reliable and efficient tool. Upgrade your kitchen with these versatile bamboo cutting boards from Royal Craft Wood. This 3-piece set offers the perfect sizes for every task, from quick fruit chopping to slicing whole meats or serving cheese. Built-in handles make transferring ingredients a breeze, and the smooth, knife-safe surface helps keep your blades sharp. Plus, the deep juice grooves prevent messy spills. With a durable design that resists scarring and a money-back guarantee, these cutting boards are a must-have for any kitchen. Click the links below to shop now. Meet the Bella Electric Can Opener and Knife Sharpener, a must-have kitchen gadget that combines power and convenience. With a 60-watt motor and durable stainless steel blade, it effortlessly opens cans of all sizes with just a touch. The auto-turn feature makes operation a breeze, while the convenient cord storage keeps your countertop tidy. Cleaning is easy with a removable cutting lever and magnetic lid holder. Available in a variety of stylish colors, it's a perfect addition to any kitchen or a thoughtful gift for new homeowners. Click the links below to shop now. Keep your kitchen organized and your dishes dry with the Sakuji 2-tier stainless steel dish drying rack. This large capacity rack, measuring 15x 11.4x 15 inches, easily holds various kitchenware from bowls and dishes to knives and pots, perfect for families of 3 to 4. Made of premium rust-proof stainless steel, it ensures durability and a clean countertop. The multifunctional design includes a drain board and rotatable water outlet for efficient drainage, making cleanup effortless. Easy to install and maintain, this dish rack is a must-have for any kitchen. Shop now and elevate your kitchen organization. Elevate your kitchen game with the Hotex stainless steel kitchen tongs set, featuring both 9-inch and 12-inch tongs. Made from food-grade, rust-resistant stainless steel, these tongs are durable, lightweight, and heat-resistant, perfect for everyday cooking and grilling. The ergonomic handle, cushioned with silicone, offers a secure grip and easy control, while the pull ring lock ensures convenient storage. Whether you're flipping burgers, serving salad, or grilling, these tongs are versatile and it's easy to clean, even dishwasher safe, a must-have kitchen tool for all your culinary needs. Upgrade your kitchen with the Umite Chef Mixing Bowls set, featuring 26 pieces of durable stainless steel bowls in khaki. The set includes 6 sizes, ranging from 1QT to 7QTT, perfect for all your mixing and serving needs. Each bowl has a non-slip silicone bottom to keep it steady on your countertop and comes with airtight lids to keep ingredients fresh. Enjoy the convenience of 3 grater attachments for easy slicing, grating, and shredding directly into the bowl. The set is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, though hand washing the lids is recommended. With its nesting design, this set is space efficient and a stylish addition to any kitchen. The Ueno Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. This 14-piece set includes everything you need for cooking and baking: turner tongs, spatula spoons, a brush, a whisk, and a stylish wooden holder. Made from heat-resistant silicone, these tools withstand up to 446 def without melting or producing smoke. The BPA-free, food-grade silicone is safe for all types of food and odorless. Each utensil is designed to be gentle on non-stick cookware and features a one-piece construction for easy cleaning. The set includes 9 cooking tools and 4 baking tools, making it a comprehensive addition to any kitchen. Note, wooden handles are not dishwasher-safe, other parts are dishwasher-friendly. Get the tools you need in one convenient set and make cooking easier and more enjoyable. And there you have it, minus 20 kitchen gadgets that could take your culinary game to the next level. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new to Items IQ, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest kitchen finds. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking.